Let me run this from there. Okay. Yeah, you can see my web is coming. You can see over there. So I have to select an agent. My agent is development tutorial, right? I will ask, hi, I need information on agentic AI tools in GCP, right? Just enter. You can see the workflow. Transfer to agent, right? Searching grounding agent, right? So it will provide me the whole thing. AI, these are the applications that LM for reasoning. Google AI agent space platform that combines search with secure data access. ADK, a framework of simplified agent creation. Vertex AI agent engine, Gemini CLI, action agents, code interpreter, code agent, translate an NLP into the executable code, right? And data modernization. You can see is there anything specific would like to, how would I would like to give some examples? Please provide more examples. Please provide more example. Yeah, you can see. So, so if you see it, so my workflow, right? It is taking my flow to my researcher agent, sub agent. From researcher agent, it is taking the workflow to the tools from where it has to be searched, right? So in this way, my agentic AI, my ADK kit will work. Agent development kit, right? So which is very few fruitful example of agentic AI. The network of agent, how network of agent will work. I hope you like this. Any question or anything, please let me know. Right? If you have anything, you can when I upload this, you can put the questions. I will definitely to answer your question. So this is the basically working of agentic AI. How agent development kit will work. Right? Thank you guys. Thank you. Sir, please keep watching my this video. Thank you.